Hi. Hello. Hi, Brian. Where are you, Brian? Brian, are you there? Hello, Brian. Where are you? I cannot see you. Where are you, Brian?
Just me.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Good evening. You look so handsome today. You know, you are very handsome. Wow.
I love you.
Wow, it's a heart, right? Like
I
this.
love
It's a heart.
you.
I love you too. I miss you. How are you, Brian?
I'm good.
I am good too, like you. What did you do today, Brian?
I
What?
love
Hmm. What did you do today? Did you
Roy.
play?
Roy.
Right?
Roy.
A draw. Okay. Where's your drawing? Can I see it?
Squid Game.
Squid Squid Game?
Yeah.
Oh, you know the movie Squid Game?
Yeah.
Oh,
Papa.
okay. May I see your drawing? Can I see?
I want for a Squid Game.
Oh, may I see? Wow. Where? Show me. Show me your drawing.
Okay, me play pro.
Okay, okay. I will wait for you. Okay? Dun 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 dun
Dun,
dun
dun, dun.
dun
Dun,
dun
dun, dun,
dun
dun, dun, dun,
dun
dun,
dun dun
dun,
dun dun.
dun,
Wow, you know it. Have you watched the movie? Wow. Have you watched the movie, Brian? Have you already watched the movie? Did you finish watching the movie,
Oh,
Brian? No, not yet. How do you
no.
know? How do you know about this Squid Game? How do you know? Is it in trends in Vietnam? Hmm? Is it famous in Vietnam? Brian,
Yes.
are you done drawing your Squid Game picture?
No, the
Not
teacher.
yet. Not yet, teacher. Okay, I will wait for you, Brian. Okay, while you are drawing, Brian, can I ask you a question? Can I ask you, Brian?
Yes.
Okay. What is your dinner, Brian? What is your food for tonight? What did you eat for dinner? Can you tell to me? You know, teacher Kresta, I ate chicken. Wow! Wow, you're good in drawing. Keep it up. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Very good. Brian,
Jet.
okay. What is your dinner?
Peanut.
Yeah, dinner. Food. Food. Do you know food?
And my food is banana, banana and
But
apple.
oh, banana and apple. But what did you eat tonight? What did you eat tonight? Did you eat rice like this? Did you eat rice? This
Yeah.
one? Rice? Oh, no, 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 no. Not this one. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay. Did you eat rice? This one? Rice?
Yes.
Okay. Did you eat meat? Meat. Like this. No?
Yes.
Oh,
Black.
yes. Okay. Did you eat vegetable?
Mm,
Vegetable. Okay.
yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. Did you eat fruit? Mm.
Yes. I
Oh,
black.
okay. You like it, right? So,
Yeah.
um, Brian, my question is, what is your dinner? Dinner. This one, dinner.
Yes. I black.
Oh, I ate. You will say, I ate, for example, rice and meat.
Meat.
Okay, say it. I ate
I ate
rice
fry
and
and
meat.
meat.
Okay. Brian,
Yes.
what is the weather today? Is it cloudy, windy, rainy, sunny? What's the weather
Sunny.
today? It's sunny. It's sunny. Okay, very good. Let's play, okay? Before that, let's play. Do you want to play?
Yes. I
Okay,
black.
let's play. Okay, let's play, teacher. Okay?
Yes.
Ah, guess the fruit's name. Okay? Guess the fruit's name. What's this?
Bees. Apple.
B, apple. Do you like apple? Yes, I
Yes.
like. Yes, I
Yes.
do.
Yes. I do.
Yes, yes, I do. I like apple. Okay, again, one more time, Brian. Yes, I do. I like apple.
Yes.
Brian,
I fly apple.
very good. Okay, next. Oh, look, your answer is correct. If your answer is correct, look. Wow, very good. It's apple. Okay,
Okay.
next. What's this, Brian?
It's banana seed.
Bananas. Okay. Wow, very good, Brian. Okay. Next. How about this? Do you know this?
It's orange. Eggs.
A. Okay. What are you doing there? Are you drawing?
Yes. I
What are you
roll.
What are you drawing? Squid Game again?
No.
No. What is that? Ah, can you draw orange? Brian, can you do orange? Oh, it's a yes. Okay, draw. Draw orange. Okay? Draw orange. Oh, Let's match how you draw orange. Okay? I will draw orange too. Okay, this is my orange. This is my orange. How about you? Where is your orange? May I see? Wow! Very good. Okay. How you draw banana? Can you draw banana? No, you can't. Me? Let's try. How I make the banana. Look, how I draw the banana. Oh, why you are laughing? It's a banana. Do you think
Yeah.
do you think it's a banana? It looks like banana, Brian?
I saw.
Oh, very good. Thank you. How? Okay, Brian, can you draw apple? Can you draw apple? Yes, okay, draw apple. Me too, I can draw apple. Okay, I will draw apple. I will draw apple. Okay, are you done with your apple? Hmm. This is my apple. Huh. May I see your apple? Are you done, Brian?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Can I see? Wow. Good job. Okay. Brian, what fruit, another fruits that you can draw? Can you name it? What fruit can you draw?
Strawberries.
Strawberry. I can draw strawberry.
I
Say
can
it.
strawberry.
Okay, can you draw strawberry? Show me. Show me how you draw strawberry, and I will try. I will try it myself too, if I know how to draw strawberry. Do you think it's a strawberry? Oh, do you think so?
Yeah.
How about you? Wow, thank you. Okay, show me your strawberry. Show me, show me. Wow, your strawberry is better than me. Okay, what else? What fruit can you draw? What else?
Kiwi.
Again?
Kiwi.
Okay, show me. Please draw a kiwi for me. Okay?
Yeah.
Kiwi. I don't know how to draw kiwi. How it look like. Wait. Let me try. Let me try.
Uh,
Um, oh, I'm not good. Hmm, it's disgusting. No, it's not look like a kiwi. It look like avocado. Show me your drawing. Show me your kiwi.
wait.
Okay, okay. Show me yours. Wow. Looks like pomegranate. Okay. How about,
I like I
yes,
like you.
you like me? Me too. I like it too, Brian. Okay, how about in vegetable, Brian? Okay, what vegetable can you eat? Okay. What vegetable can you eat? Vegetable. Do you know vegetable? No? You don't know? May I see? Ah, no. Okay. I will introduce you to
Right.
vegetable. Okay?
I write is melon.
Hmm. This one is a vegetable. Okay, I will show you, Brian. Okay? Can you see my screen, Brian?
Yes.
Okay. Look. Okay. It's a
It is
vegetable.
Hey there, kids.
Hmm.
Listen carefully
Look.
and repeat. Carrot,
Okay. Carrot.
carrot.
Okay. Do you eat carrot, Brian?
Yes.
Look. Do you eat this kind of fruit, vegetable? Yes. Okay. Can you draw a carrot? Can you draw? No. Okay. 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 Yes. Okay. Okay. Draw it. Draw it. Okay. Let me see how you can draw a carrot. Wow. You love drawing so much. Okay. Keep it up. Okay. I think in the future you will be a great painter. Painter. Okay. Wow. Okay.
carrot,
Next,
peas,
peas. Okay. Do you like peas, Brian? Yes. Okay. Can you draw it? Okay. Peas. It's so easy to draw. Just make a straight line and put a holes or circle in the middle, and that's it. Yes. Hmm. Wow, yes. Can I see? Wow, beautiful. Okay, Brian. Okay, this is a kind of vegetable. Okay, remember, it's a vegetable.
peas, corn,
Oh, do you know this? Yes, what is this, Brian? Brian, what do you
Yes.
call this vegetable? This is
This is
what?
this is
Oh, what vegetable? What name? It's a corn. Okay, this is a corn. It's a corn. Okay,
is corn.
corn. Say it, corn.
Corn.
Corn. Yes, it's a corn.
Corn.
Hmm. May I see? Wow, you're good in drawing. Ah,
corn,
corn. Next.
tomato,
Oh, do you know this?
Yeah.
Oh, what is?
Tomato.
Yes,
This is tomato.
very good. Okay. It's a tomato. It is a tomato. Okay. Tomato, tomato. It's both okay. Hmm. Do you like tomato? Wow, beautiful. Do you like it? Can you eat
Yeah.
tomato? Yes. Okay.
Tomato.
Yes, I do. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Tomato.
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 Do you know this?
I don't.
No. Okay, it's an eggplant.
Is an eggplant.
Eggplant. Egg,
Egg,
plant.
egg, and plant.
Yes, eggplant. Okay, can you draw?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Sure, I will wait for you. Okay. I know it's easy for you.
Yeah. It's easy.
Yes. What vegetable that you think it's very difficult for you to draw? What vegetable? What vegetable do you think it's if you draw it, it's very difficult for you? Wow, very good. That's nice. Okay, Brian, you said
Yes.
eggplant is easy for you to draw, right? It's easy. Do you know difficult? Do you know difficult? Okay, what vegetable can you draw difficult? What vegetable can you draw? It's very difficult. What do you think? Do you think you can draw cabbage? Do you know
Yeah.
cabbage?
I.
Oh, be careful. Be careful. It's hurt, but it's
No, I'm
okay.
not hurt.
It's not
I'm
her. Wow, you're so strong. You're so brave. Ah, oh
Mm.
yeah, brave. It's not hurt.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay.
Mina, Mina.
So let's stop here. Okay, let's talk. Okay. Brian, what will you do after our class?
Yeah.
What will you do after our class? For example, teacher, I will go to sleep. Teacher, I will do my homework. Or let's say, I will play with my brother. I will eat my dinner. I will take a bath. How about you, Brian? What will
I
you do?
want to play.
You want to play? What game will you play after this class? What game?
This game, Squid Game.
Squid Game. Do you have a toy, Squid Game? Yes, are you sure? Wow,
Sure.
sure. Okay. Do you like Squid Game that much? Do you like? Oh, I see. Wow, yes, I do. Very good. Yes, I do. Okay. Do you have question for teacher? Do you have question for me? Yes, I do. What's your question? Hmm. What is your question? Ah, question, for example. Teacher, what will you do after class? What is your name? Where do you live? Okay. What is your mother's name? Oh, any, okay, any sentences starts with what, where, how, when. Okay. That is the question. Oh, what's your question? You said you have.
So that's Zeus' name.
Oh, what's my name? My name is Cresta.
Yes.
Krista.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Nice to meet you, Brian. Wow, hello. When I say hello, you will answer hi. Mm. Hello. What's your answer? When I say hello, you will answer me hi. Brian,
Yes.
what are you doing there? What are you doing? Oh, peace. Like this? Peace.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, Brian. I think we don't have time. Okay, let's see each other again tomorrow. Okay? Did you enjoy the class? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Goodbye. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you.